2 posts a week. Tuesday and Thursday, 9 in the morning Berlin time, under one person's own name. That last part sets every rule that follows. This is the social media content manager and a employee catalog F013. And the first thing it does in a cycle is not write anything. It asks whether anything is running. A client incident, a complaint in the open, bad news about anyone the post's name, an event that would make the tone wrong. Asked first, before the plan because a blocker found out approval has already wasted the cycle, and publishing into the middle of something is not fixed by deleting it afterwards. Then it says what it cannot know. Linked in reports analytics for company pages, not for individual members, and this identity has no page. Every one of those calls was tried. 4 came back forbidden or organization only, and the one that was granted returns nothing for a member. So the cycle has 2 honest inputs, not 3. Engagement is not one of them. What is left is the record it keeps itself. 8 posts in the window, each with its format and the reason it went out. 2 topics come up twice: tool loading and skill packaging. Variety is the only thing this record can honestly enforce without performance data, so that is what it is used for. Packaging is not planned again this week. The plan comes before the drafting, 1 entry per slot, and the angle has to be a claim rather than a subject area. Tuesday, connectors were still coming up when a scheduled run asked for a tool. Thursday, an assistant that reports what it cannot see beats one that fills the gap. A wrong plan is cheap now and expensive once 2 drafts exist. Then it writes them in full, as they will appear rather than as a summary. 848 characters, well under the limit. No markdown anywhere, because LinkedIn renders none of it and an asterisk shows up literally in the feed. And the opening is measured on its own, because everything past the fold sits behind a see more that most people never click. Then the draft goes through a reject list. This is Tuesday's post before it did. 15 hits. A game changer, seamless of course challenges remain. What do you think tacked on the end? The final version has none. But 1 sentence that looks exactly like hedging stays in I have only seen this on my own workflows. Cutting that would make the post more confident than the evidence supports. The same rule applies to numbers. 3 claims wanted into this post and are not in it. How long connectors take to come up, never measured across runs. That this affects most scheduled workflows, 1 workflow is not most. And that the last post on the topic did well, which nobody here can know. A plausible figure in public, under someone's real name, is the worst thing this employee could produce. Then it stops. Both posts are presented and nothing is published. Not a default yes, not a timeout, not you said go last week. The publish call is prepared and left unexecuted, and this recording ends there because there is nobody here to give the tick. When there is, the identifier that comes back is written to the record. The platform will never tell the next cycle why any of this went out. So what is real? The record and its variety check are the skill's own script. The 15 voice findings are a scan against the published reject list. The character counts and the truncation are measured on the text. The connector results are the ones recorded when they were tested. Written for this recording, the posting history and both drafts, and nothing was published. 2 slots a week, 1 identity, and nothing goes out without a person saying yes.